Sister Wives, Mary Brown says don't believe the lies, not valid. And fans shocked at Mary Brown new business fees. Also Janelle mortified intimate tales never part of deal. I will explain everything. Watch this video until end. Hi lovely viewers. Welcome to my update gossip channel. Sister Wives star Mary Brown is exploring a brand new chapter of her life after ending her marriage with Cody Brown. As she runs her in Utah, she also launching a brand new venture, Worthy Up. As Mary strives to get Worthy Up off the ground, she also continuing her regular cryptic Instagram posts. And in the latest one, she asks fans not to believe lies they hear. Mary Brown has definitely endured more than her share of heartbreak over the years. But she's still here to encourage her followers to find their true worth. You are worthy of not believing the lie that people on social media try to feed you when it comes to your goals and passions. Just because their voices are louder doesn't mean they're valid, Mary shared on Instagram. You are worthy of believing the truth that only you know what is in your heart. Only you know what your passion is. Only you know what drives you to be a better human every day. Only you know what your real life experiences are and what you've learned from them. She encouraged her followers not to listen to outsiders who don't know them. You might say, well Mary, you should learn this for yourself. I would say, you're right. It's a daily process that I remind myself of often. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn these truths daily, the TLC star concluded. You are worthy of not believing the lie that people on social media try to feed you when it comes to your goals and passions. Just because their voices are louder doesn't mean they're valid. You are worthy of believing the truth that only you know what is in your heart. Only you know what your passion is. Only you know what drives you to be a better human every day. Only you know what your real life experiences are and what you've learned from them. Don't allow the voices and words of people who don't know the real you seep into your head and heart to take root. A plant can't grow to its full potential and beauty with weeds around it, smothering the life out of it. Be who you are, authentically, beautifully, passionately. You might say, well Mary, you should learn this for yourself. I would say, you're right. It's a daily process that I remind myself of often. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn these truths daily. Many of Mary's Instagram followers thought it was a nice message. They shared comments such as, this is so true. I've always been a people pleaser. Being abused doesn't help that. Something I work on daily. Yup. I'm so done with other people telling me what to think or say or do. I'm a me, good and bad, and I don't care what people think anymore. Beautifully said, and so true. Thank you, I need this today. In general, the idea of Worthy Up seems to really resonate with Mary fans. However, most felt taken aback by the cost. As per the Worthy Up website, price packages range from $150 minus $600. The website explicitly details what features come with each package, but many fans didn't find that the benefits justified the cost. Sister Wives fans are shocked at the price of Mary Brown new business that she just launched on Monday, May 6. It is called Worthy Up and it was billed as a motivational space when she first announced it. Now that it is live, fans have been eager to check it out. Yet, what they saw was not what they expected. Mary Brown is no stranger to being called out for overcharging. She has done 2 retreats at her B&B, Ligi Heritage Inn. They were extremely pricey, ranging from $4K to $6K and only a handful of participants could stay at the inn. Her second retreat did not go as planned, likely due to the prices and what was offered. Fans have a newfound respect for Mary. especially now that she has left Cody Brown and is a free woman. Yet, paying thousands for a retreat with her that was somewhat all over the place was not feasible. Now, she has launched Worthy Up, and, with that, there is her new site explaining prices and details. There are 3 packages starting at $150 and going as high as $600. The highest one, also known as the Impact membership, has more discounts on events, 2025 renewal, and a gift from Mary. After seeing the prices, fans were not happy and started a Reddit thread. The op wrote this: Mary and her new Worthy upselling memberships for a partial year, $150 minus $600. Wow. Do people really want to buy membership access to stuff like this? After learning the prices and how much Mary Brown was charging, were other sister wives, fans shocked? Or, do they know how Mary operates at this point? The last person I'd see worthy enough to give me advice or instructions is the first wife of a polygamist. What? Does the membership do? What I want to know is, what are her qualifications for running this group? She could not pay me $600 a year to listen to her fake, toxic positivity bullshit. Not buying it literally. As much as Mary Brown believes in what she is selling, most followers cannot subscribe to this. She may have evolved over time since she left Cody Brown, but that was not enough. They recalled how long she was in a toxic marriage where she was shoved to the side. Cody outwardly said he was not in love with Mary, and yet she proceeded to stay. More so, she did not show that she was a strong woman, and fans cited that. Now, she is on this strength kick and they are not buying it, especially at these prices. Sister Wives star Janelle Brown had some great expectations, but when a couple of evil questions about her TLC series landed on her lap, it hit her hard. Sister Wives, Janelle Brown, false sense of security. Janelle Brown is often considered the voice of reason among the 5 spouses who once made up this famous polygamous marriage. But reaching way back to when the Sister Wives series first came up, Janelle Brown envisioned it one way. Before the Sister Wives series rolled out, there was a promotional tour. Cody Brown and his 4 wives packed their bags and headed to some of the nation's biggest cities to entice potential viewers to the series debut. Janelle had visions dancing in her head of the Duggar family in their reality show, 19 Kids and Counting. While the Duggar brood got the fans' attention with cute things related to the kids, it wasn't the same for the Sister Wives series. Any resemblance to the cuteness of the Duggars around the Sister Wives series faded fast for Janelle. As folks tuning in headed in a different direction. Instead of demonstrating interest in their loving family, viewers wanted to know the intimate details of a man bedding down 4 wives. Janelle blown out of the water. This mortified Janelle Brown. She never imagined those following the progression of the Sister Wives would have such nerve during the promotional tour. At the time, they hadn't launched the series yet. Janelle explained that until TLC series launched, she had no idea how Cody and the other wives interacted when alone. So, the series caused some intense moments of jealousy. But once Janelle and the family played out their daily lives on screen, it was all there for her to see. This is the same for the other wives as well. For Janelle, Cody picking out Robin Brown wedding dress was an event that did some damage. But it's because of the series that they discovered this. Sister Wives, too. Many intimate questions. Janelle Brown and her co-wives quickly learned that the fans had a number one Sister Wives question. During the early days of the series, fans learned that Cody spread himself equally among the wives. But they also learned there was a schedule. It was never officially established if that schedule was on paper, or kept sealed away in his head. But during that promotional tour, the embarrassing questions kept coming. Janelle recalls when their publicist ripped into an interviewer for the inappropriate question they asked. The publicist suggested that these intimate questions are not asked of other reality stars. So, the ladies got a save that day. But for Janelle Brown, the start of the TLC series became a rude awakening. Sister wives, stars Cody Brown and Robin Brown have fans, tagging them as villains, as they seem to drift further from redemption than ever before, both on and off the TLC series. But hints dropped that these two could be busy in a clean-up spree ahead of season 19. Sister wives, Cody Brown and Robin Brown tucked away. Cody Brown and his remaining wife, Robin Brown, have stayed out of sight since the curtain went down on the last season. A few astute sister wives fans managed to capture a photo or two of the elusive couple. But for most of these photos, you would need a magnifying glass to spot any resemblance. Cody doesn't seem to stand still for too long while tooting around in public these days. Well, at least not long enough for a sister wives fan to grab a photo that shows his face. One of the latest photos circulating online captures the back of Cody Brown. The fan who captured a picture of Cody from behind describes him as sprinting through shops in a casino. Robin was nowhere in sight at the time. So, some fans think this flitting around avoiding the camera lens might have something to do with Cody and Robin Brown's grand scheme. Cody and Robin too quiet. Not long ago, the sister wives' family adult children came out of the woodwork with their online venues on social media. They offered little quips about what's up within the family. Tony Padron and Michael T. Brown Padron were a fountain of information regarding Robin and Cody. Cody and his youngest wife remain eerily quiet between the last season and the one in the works today. But Michael T. and Tony dropped a hint that might explain what's up with this. The sister wives patriarch and Robin might have some behind-the-scenes help. Michael T. and Tony touched on Robin's comfort level around filming the show. According to Tony, Robin doesn't like being on camera. But what she hates even more is those segments that replaced the season finale tell-all episodes. It is excruciatingly painful for Robin to watch scenes from the season, and then have to talk about them on camera. Both Michael T. and Tony agreed that this is something she despises. Sister wives, price to pay. Robin didn't always hate the limelight. A few of the things on her bucket list suggest she was seeking fame. Plus, she knew about the Sister Wives series getting ready to film when she first showed up on Cody radar. But that same fame she was after turned on her. The Sister Wives fans say she is famous alright, but not much like. As each season played out, Robin looked more and more like a homewrecker to fans. She acknowledges the term homewrecker as something she often sees via fan comments online. Then there's Cody, who fans describe as a man who belittled his wives on the Sister Wives screen. But for many fans, his crowning dark achievement was how he treated some of his adult kids. This isn't hearsay, the guy did this with cameras rolling, so it's out there forever. But now what? Sweeping it under the rug. During one of their on-screen chats, Tony Padron suggested that Robin Brown may be beyond help from a peer firm. That turned on a light bulb for some fans. Some of the Sister Wives followers suggest if any couple ever needed a little help in public relations, that would be Robin and Cody Brown. But it sounds like Tony thinks that ship sailed a while ago. So, when Sister Wives season 19 rolls out, and we see the now monogamous couple for the first time in a long time, will something change? Some fans think the couple are following some peer advice already. They've stayed out of the limelight, and haven't gone near social media, although Robin hasn't in a few years. Even with the cameos Cody makes these days, he seems to stay away from anything about his family. Cody and Robin Brown are a hot commodity, together or alone, in the world of reality TV. But neither has done any interviews, which is something that Cody once did quite often. So, is the plan to stay quietly tucked away and hope that the Sister Wives fans' memories fade? Some fans think it could be. But others, like Tony, think they are beyond the help of any spin Pierre could put on the couple from the TLC series. What do you think about this video? Please told on comment box, also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.